Imagine this. You're traveling through space, near the speed of light. But when you return home, decades have passed while you've only aged a few hours. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But according to Einstein, it's real. Welcome to the strange and beautiful concept of time dilation. Time dilation is the phenomenon where time moves slower the faster you go. It's a key part of Einstein's theory of special relativity. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. Here's the twist. This effect only becomes noticeable when you're moving really fast. We're talking close to the speed of light. At those speeds, time slows down for you, compared to someone standing still. Real example. Astronauts aboard the ISS actually age a tiny bit slower than people on Earth because they're orbiting at high speeds. This isn't just theory, it affects your daily life. GPS satellites orbit Earth fast and high. Their clocks run slightly faster because of weaker gravity, but also slower due to their speed. Scientists must adjust GPS timing constantly, using Einstein's equations. Let's simplify it. Imagine two twins. One stays on Earth, the other travels in a spaceship at near light speed. When the traveling twin returns, they're younger than their sibling. That's time dilation. It's not magic, it's physics. According to Einstein, space and time are linked, like a fabric called space-time. When you move fast, you warp that fabric. So, is time travel real? Well, technically, time dilation is a form of time travel into the future. We can't go back in time, but moving fast enough means skipping forward. Einstein showed us that time isn't a constant. It bends, stretches, and slows. And the faster we move, the weirder it gets. Thanks for exploring the edge of physics with us. This is Mind and Matter, where science meets wonder.